Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to still continue our study on Mo Willems, and we're still going to read an Elephant and Piggy book. But today we're going to look for something while we're reading our Elephant and Piggy books. We're going to be looking for character traits. And character traits are words we use to describe a character. So they can be brave, they can be mean, they can be pretty, they can be short, they can be lazy, and they can be caring. Those are just some of the things that could be character traits to describe a character. So the first thing you need to do when you're looking at a character trait is think about how the characters look. If we were to describe this girl, what would we say she looked like? She had blonde hair. She's tall. She wears glasses. She looks happy, and it's because you see a smile on her face. So those are the things that we can physically see, the things you can see with your eyes. But then there's things that you can't see in a character, and the things that are in the inside. So think about what the characters say, what they do, and how they would feel. So think about a character like Pigeon. Pigeon would be what kind of character? I would say Pigeon is smart because of the things he says. He tries to stay up late. He tries to drive the bus. He's persuasive. He tries to get people to do things for him. And how does he feel? He's funny. I think he was a funny. And then he gets angry when he can't stay up late and he can't drive the bus. So those are just some characteristics. So today, your topic is going to be, I can use words to describe a character. Okay, so your first job is going to be to use these boom cards to go over character traits. So this says character traits. Click on 4 words from the boxes below to match Cinderella's qualities. So what do you think Cinderella is like? Everybody knows the story of Cinderella. She has the evil stepmom and the 2 evil stepsisters. And the mice help her make a dress. Is she stubborn? Is she polite? Is she kind? Is she wise? Means like kind of like smart. Gentle, caring, bossy, and rude. So what would we say Cinderella is like? Is she stubborn? No. Is she polite? Yes. Is she kind? Yes. Is she wise? She probably is, but that's not something I would describe her as. Is she gentle? Yes. Is she caring? Yes. Is she bossy? No. Is she rude? No. And then you would click your check mark, and we got them all right. So now you describe the prince from Cinderella using 4 words. Is he determined? Yes, he tries really, really hard to get Cinderella to like him. Is he impolite? No, he's not impolite. Is he curious? Yeah, he's probably curious. He wants to know a lot about Cinderella and what her evil stepmom is like. Is he sluggish? Is he slow and mean? No. Is he charming? Yeah, his name is actually Prince Charming. Is he harsh? Meaning he's rude and nasty. Is he unkind? No. And is he confident? Yes, because he keeps trying. Now click on 4 words from the box below to match the fairy godmother's qualities. Is she kind? Yes. Is she brave? Yes. Is she generous? Yes, she gives Cinderella wishes. Is she cruel? No, she's not cruel. She's not mean. Is she loving? Is she clumsy? Does she fall and trip a lot? Is she selfish? Is she only worried about herself? And is she helpful? Does she help Cinderella? So I'm going to click on some. Let's say we clicked cruel. And we click submit. It's going to say she's not cruel. So what is she, brave or generous? She's generous because she gives up things. She gives Cinderella wishes. All right. So then you would go to the stepmother and then you would click on which 4 characteristics and it will correct it for you. So I want you to practice describing these characters before you listen to the story. So I want you to go pause this video and go to the boom cards now. All right, so now if we were in class together, we would have done this chart as a group. So the pigeon presents character traits. So let's go over the character traits of Pigeon, since we've been doing all these Mo Willems books. And then we'll read a story, and then we'll go over the character traits of Gerald today, and tomorrow we'll go over the character traits of Piggy. So one of the character traits is persuasive. He tries to get people to do things that he wants them to do. So he tries to stay up late. He tries to drive the bus. He's smart. He comes up with a lot of great ideas. He's creative. Some of his ideas are really good. Like when Pigeon needs a bath, when he said pigeons aren't supposed to take baths. He makes up things. He's crazy. He does a lot of silly things. He's a beggar. He begs to stay up late, and he begs to drive the bus. He's silly. He does a lot of silly things. He's angry when he does not get his way. He was very angry when he could not drive the bus. He's persistent, means he keeps going after what he wants. He keeps it up. He doesn't stop until he gets what he wants. He's funny. He made me laugh a lot in all of his books. He's stubborn. He does not take no for an answer. He keeps going and going. And he's sneaky. He tries to get things that he wants, being sneaky. All right, so our book today for Elephant and Piggy is Let's Go for a Drive by Mo Willems. Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That sounds fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Wait! If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. I'm going to go back for 1 second. I want you to look at how Gerald, or Elephant, is looking. What do you think character trait would describe how he looks right now and how you think he's feeling? Keep that in mind. We're going to need that when we get to the character traits. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map. Zip. You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have the map. Zap. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map. Wait! Look at Gerald. It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have the sunglasses. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny sunglasses. Wait! It might rain when we drive. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas. Zip! Umbrellas, 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 umbrellas. Wait! Look at Gerald. We have so much stuff to pack. We need bags. I have bags. Get those bags. Zip! You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Oof. I have the bags. Zip! Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy bag, bags. Wait! All right. Make a prediction. What do you think that they don't have? Something that they definitely need to go for a drive. Let's see if you're right. There will be a lot of driving on our drive. We need a car. Uh-oh. I said, we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggy? No. I am a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive. Except a car. Did you predict that? Our plans are ruined. What are we gonna do now? We could play pirate. Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arrgh. The end. Okay, so now we want to talk about the character traits of Gerald. Elephant. What is Gerald like? So one thing I noticed in this book that we just read is Gerald is worried. He's worried it's going to rain. He's worried they're going to need a map. He's worried about it being too sunny and they needed sunglasses. He was worried about a lot of different things. Another character trait that I think Gerald have is got really tiny. He's a planner. He likes to make sure that everything goes a certain way. So he's a planner. He wants to make sure things are done the right way and that he has things in case something was to happen. He likes to plan everything out, except getting a car. Another thing about Gerald, if we look at him, he's tall. So that's what he physically looks like. That's what you see on the outside. Worried is on the inside. A planner on the inside. Now today your job is going to be to fill out these other 4 circles that describe what Gerald is like. What characteristic Gerald has. And then tomorrow we're going to practice with Piggy. So do the best you can. You can use the things you see on the outside or the things you notice on the inside from all 3 books that we read so far about Elephant and Piggy. If you have any questions, reach out. Have a great day.